How do I write a tab in Python? Let's say I have a file. How do I write hello tab Alex?
This is the code. The \t inside the string is the escape sequence for the horizontal tabulation.
The Python reference manual includes several string literals that can be used in a string. These special sequences of characters are replaced by the intended meaning of the escape sequence. Here is a table of some of the more useful escape sequences, and a description of the output from them. Basic example. If I wanted to print some data points separated by a tab space, I could print this string. Returns. Example for lists. Here is another example where we are printing the items of list, and we want to separate the items by a tab. Returns. Raw strings. Note that raw strings, a string which include a prefix, r, string literals will be ignored. This allows these special sequences of characters to be included in strings without being changed. Returns, which may be an undesired output. String lengths. It should also be noted that string literals are only one character in length. Returns. The raw string has a length of 9.
You can use \t in a string literal. Hello \talex.
It's usually \t in command line interfaces, which will convert the char \t into the whitespace tab character. For example, hello \talex, hello, Alex.
As it wasn't mentioned in any answers, just in case you want to align and space your text, you can use the string format features. Above Python 2.5, of course, \t is actually a tab token, whereas the described method generates spaces. Example. Another example, left aligned.
If you watch the body channel, please consider subscribing.